What's going on, the world loyalists, and welcome to the video with your host, Noneother. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to be taking out the RA today, but I am going into Mount Charleston to go snowboarding. Now, if you can see in the corner right there, snowboard's right there, chillaxing. Now, this is actually not my snowboard, but I did rent it. I'll probably go into more detail about that, how much it costs, as well as all the other costs that involve with snowboarding in Mount Charleston in Las Vegas. Now, if you don't think it gets cold or snows in Las Vegas, you probably haven't seen my snow drifting in Las Vegas. So make sure you check out that video linked in the description, as well as summer ante on top for, viewing pleasure. But yeah, it does get cold and it does get snow, especially up in the mountains. So let's head out and do this. Of course, the one big tip about going to Mount Charleston is make sure you have enough gas. Alright, we're heading out now. I'm driving out with my buddy Alan.
What's up?
It is about, was it 740? 750?
750.
Yeah, right now it's showing about 46 over here in Sky Canyon, but over there it's saying about 31. So hopefully I brought enough clothes and I'm not going to be super cold, but also still flexible enough to actually snowboard. Right now at this point, I pretty much had to swap out my snowboard because apparently the size of it has to depend on your height, and this was way too short, so I had to swap it out. And thanks to my buddy Trent, I was able to get a second snowboard from him. But yeah, just FYI, the snowboard itself that I rented was only about 25 bucks. That includes the bindings and the boots, and the helmet was $5. But if you want to rent it out from the resort itself, it could cost upwards to 50 bucks. So go and shower off if you need, or you can just rent from the resort itself. It all depends on you. Alright, let's see how this goes. Yay! Jordan!
You're not gonna fall this time.
Like in my glove.
Look at him. Alan's like a pro. Can you make it down, Trent? Me? Are you gonna be okay?
You hold my way?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh God.
There you go.
Looks so steep than the bunny
It's
hill.
not. You're okay.
Hi.
There he is.
Let's go.
There he is.
Oh, no.
Got the whole team now. Let's go.
Oh, except for Jordan. Jordan went to go get a shot.
Yeah, and Troy was having nothing of it. Troy was
Let's get it. Let's get it. There you go. Come on. Slide! Whoa!
Like a penguin.
So close. You're almost there. Almost there. Just keep going.
This is how you get down the mountain.
You made it! You made it!
What are you guys waiting on?
Let's go! In the woods.
It'd be cool to get like a little clip of it.
Yeah.
Like, it's a welcome to Las Vegas sign.
Oh, there's a sign there? Oh yeah,
Right
okay.
there. So
I didn't.
it's like the replica, like when you
Yeah,
enter,
yeah,
and they got a little ski lift chair and you sit there.
yeah. Oh, we can check that out.
Hi guys, like pretty much my head hurts, my ass hurts, my collarbone especially hurts. I didn't get to record it, but I did wipe out really badly where I kind of flipped maybe twice going down the blue bird right here behind me. Pretty much what happened was I was going down really fast. I was able to slow down enough. I overcorrected, kind of flipped over, hit my tailbone and hit the back of my head. I probably rolled another time and then I turned around. I must have turned around somehow around that intermix and I started sliding down on my forearms and I just laid there for a solid 10-15 minutes. Yeah, it sucked. Hi guys. Now for the interest of my safety, my personal safety, obviously I'm not ready for Sherwood, but I have my buddy Trent is going to be taking the GoPro and do some footages. So take it away, Trent. You hit a backflip this time?
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Facing it all, fearless.
Shout out to Trent, Vince, for some of the footages
Oh yeah.
that I wasn't able to get to.
Good day.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
Subscribe, like, share, comment, notifications.
Yeah, he knows the drill. About $5 for parking for the whole day. All right, back in the Mazda, heading out. Super tired. Also very, very sore. My eyes are kind of red too. Notice that. Definitely sore. Like my right wrist, my left wrist is definitely the most sores, especially from that crash that I had earlier that I told you about. But for the most part, it was fun. It was definitely fun. Definitely need more practice. But I think what hurts the most is my left wrist, my arms,
legs, collarbone. Fell my ass a lot, so that definitely hurts. Just gotta get back up there and try again. But yeah, guys, I am back at the house. Tired, exhausted, pretty much in pain. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll obviously link in the description if you guys want to check it out. For those who are veterans or military, there is a discount. I think it's 49 bucks as of today. If you want to use the lift for the whole day or half days, totally up to you. But we were there for about 6-7 hours, decent time. The food there is a little on the pricey end, not gonna lie. I didn't actually show a screen cap of that, but make sure you bring some extra cash. But overall, it was a great time. I do recommend it if you guys are in town or visiting, local, whatever the case is. Hope you guys like this video regardless. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that like button, hit that bell notification, and be sure to check out the link in the description for if you want to reserve your tickets for your next trip to Mount Charleston and go snowboarding, skiing, or there's even a little area before the gate if you want to go tubing as well. I think I have an old video of that back in the day, but I had a good time and I definitely want to go back again. Hopefully I'll be better, but yeah, it is what it is. And I'm gonna go inside now, rest, relax, and take a nap. Take a long nap. I love you guys, stay awesome, see you next video. Until next time, peace out. Alright, laters.
Fearless.